Hi guys, so this video is on understanding rational numbers. So it's just a continuation of what we were doing in class today. So a recipe calls for 1/2 cup of milk. Express the number of cups of milk as a decimal. So we have 1/2, which is the same thing as 1 divided by 2, which is equal, let me type that into the calculator, as 0.5. Okay, and we know from class today that this is a terminating decimal. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing, but now we're talking about a mixed number. Okay, it wants us to write the decimal for this. So first, when we're doing a mixed number, we do the fraction first. I'm going to grab my calculator. So when we do that, you should get this. All right, and now we take the fraction that, the whole number that was in the front, and that's going to be the whole number before the decimal place. After the decimal place is going to be exactly the same. All right, and is this a terminating or repeating decimal? This is also terminating. Okay. Which of these rational numbers is a repeating decimal? Okay, repeating again means it goes on forever with a pattern. All right, so which one of these are repeating? Okay, so what you should have gotten was this one and this one. So anything with that line shows us that it is repeating. Okay, if you look at this last one, it looks like it's repeating, but it doesn't have that line on top to show us that. Okay, determine whether each is rational or not rational. So we know it is rational if, so I'm going to write this down here. So it is rational if it repeats or terminates. Okay, so let's first ask ourselves, is it repeating or terminating? So let's look at A. All right, A is repeating, and I know it is repeating because it has 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, and the dot, dot, dot tells me that it goes on forever. So I can rewrite this as negative 12.16 with a line over it. All right, let's look at this next one, B. Okay, I see that there are lines, dot, 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 but it does not have a pattern to it. All these numbers are random, so this is not repeating and not terminating, so it is neither. So I'm actually going to write neither. Okay, and then lastly, C is just 49. That's a whole number. So when it's a whole number, it's like if I could also write it like this with a 0.0 at the end. This tells me that it is terminating. All whole numbers are terminating. All right, so now let's say if it's rational or irrational. So remember, if it repeats, it's rational. If it terminates, it's rational. If it's neither, it's not. So this is rational. So yes, rational. This is neither, so this is not rational. And then this is rational. Okay, and that's it. Please bring this with you tomorrow in class.